y'all, watch me get my cereal ready. So, yeah. Let's go get Dermot. Oh, wait. Put my thing over there. What the Sigma? It expires on my birthday. It expires on my birthday. What the skibbity is going on here? It expires on my birthday. This stands for March. The 12 stands for the day, and 2025 is the year. Don't mind my hair. Yeah, I just woke up. It's like 9:05. What the skibbity is going on here? I was just watching some TV. So, yeah. Oh, since I showed the person's account, basically credits to Tokamali. People say that she copied Toka's tape, but she never did. What the skibbity is going on here? What in the skibbity is going on here? I think I should just pour my milk first, even though that's illegal for me. But we gotta do it because it's gonna not taste good. Oh my gosh! Move your big butt. Okay, here we go. Here's my bowl. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go put this back in the fridge. So yeah, that's it. Bye y'all. Oh shoot.